Hi traders, Mandy here from High Performance Trading. Now the good news is that there's only three main mistakes that we have to overcome in order to reach our full potential as traders. And they are, well, you guessed it, learning how to cut our losses quickly, learning how to let our profits run to target, and not going on tilt revenge trading because we got angry or frustrated. And that's really good news, because once we know what the main category of mistakes is that you're making, then you can drill deep down and figure out what the solution is. The thing is, though, the solution is never to be found where we think the problem is, because what we think the problem is never the problem, it's just a symptom. Sounds confusing? So let me give you an example. I just finished a 5-week Pilates challenge, and it was just amazing. It was 5 Pilates sessions per week for 5 weeks. Oh my God, it was so challenging, but it was amazing. I feel so good for it now. And guess what? Halfway through the challenge, my back started to play up again. And I thought, oh God, here we go again. So I went straight to my osteo, and he had a little bit of a check on, the exercises that we did. And he looked at what I was doing. And then he found out that I actually have a glute imbalance. So glute imbalance means that in my case, my left glute was much weaker than my right glute. And that caused an imbalance in my spine, a lot of pressure on my spine, and hence the pain. So what was the solution? The solution was not to work on my spine. The solution was to build up my left weak glutes so that they're in balance with my right glutes, and everything is in alignment again and balanced. And guess what? No more back pain, right? I mean, I would have never found that myself. And this is exactly the same in trading. If you have any of those three main mistakes that you're battling with, the solution is never to be found at the level of, can you help me to cut my losses? Because that's just a symptom. The problem lays somewhere else. The solution, therefore, also lays somewhere else. So you need to figure out what is your weak left glute. So I hope this is really useful for you. And yeah, happy trading.